Alright guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about Legendary Marketer, about the 15-day challenge. So I'm going to take you back scene and kind of explain to you what the 15-day challenge is. I do talk about a little bit about like TikTok videos, but I only got like 15 seconds, really hard to kind of explain it. So I'm going to kind of take you to the back and kind of show you what it is, what you get out of it, and so forth. So I'm David G. Welcome back to my channel here. If you like the content, please subscribe, and I'll be putting out some more stuff as far as marketing, affiliate marketing, stuff like that, online businesses. So as far as how I started with this, I actually, just like you guys probably just saw Legendary Marketer, other people talk about it on social media, YouTube, TikTok, stuff like that. I kind of looked into it and I kind of started liking it and I went for it. So before I started affiliate marketing, I was doing everything from drop shipping. I tried drop shipping. I tried candy machines. I tried ATMs, eBay, Amazon, you pretty much name it. So not until I got into affiliate marketing, and this program specifically is what kind of just threw me and pretty much said go all in. So there's a couple stuff that I do like about it. I just want to give you some clarity as far as what you get, what I like about it, what I don't, and so forth. So here on my screen, kind of see that I jumped into my Legendary, the marketer, my screen right here, my profile. I'm already in to kind of show you. So this is going to be the first page where it's going to talk about you're going to have 15 days. And you can kind of see here on the left-hand side, I have them all unlocked just because I've done them before. So day one, they're going to be talking about, you're going to have some videos here, and he's going to be talking about the difference between a high ticket program, a low ticket, how much effort you got to put into it, how much profit you get, and so forth. So there's some quizzes, there's some assignments that you have to complete, and these other assignments are not for them, they're more for you, as far as explaining like what do you want out of this program. What do you want to do, stuff like that. Do you want to start a drop shipping business? Do you want to go into affiliate marketing? Do you have a brick and mortar store on Fifth Street, so forth. So you're gonna go down, for example, day two. Once again, day two, you're gonna actually have a schedule. You're gonna schedule a business call with an advisor, and this is actually what threw me over and pretty much told me to go all in. When I was doing drop shipping and other online stuff, when I would get stuck or lost, I didn't know really who to talk to, who to ask questions. I try to look for information online on YouTube, and I just couldn't find the answers. Here you have a business advisor that's going to help you along the way. Even when you're in the system, even when you are making money, when you do have your business running, you can still come back, ask them questions. How do I scale? What am I doing wrong in this area? And so forth. This is actually what I really love. You have somebody to talk to. On top of that, once you actually join, you also get to join the Legendary Marketer Facebook group, and that right there is you're going to be able to ask questions, and all these other people will be able to help you out because they've been in your shoes before, so which is really cool. Day 3, I think, is actually my favorite. Right here, you kind of see that let's build a business in under 30 minutes. They physically and they actually show you how to build a sales funnel and how to build a business right in front of your eyes. So they tell you, go to this website, get your link. This is what you're going to be promoting. All right, now go here, get your software, which is ClickFunnels. Put it here. This is how we build it. This is why you want to do this and this and this. And it's actually really cool. They build it in 30 minutes. They show you how to do it. So they're not just kind of just throwing something together and just say, yeah, just try this. They're going to help you walk along right next to you and make sure that you succeed. So also you get blue scripts, bonus scripts, and templates. So you get templates on Facebook ads, what to write, how to write them, email scripts, what to say in your emails. They show you everything from psychology, how our brain works, what we think, what we see, so forth. And like I said, as you go down the line, computer's a little slow. So let's see, more questionnaires. They pretty much ask you, they tell you to read Rich Dad Poor Dad, which if you haven't, I highly recommend it. So they just kind of go down and they just keep asking you questions. So telling you what you want to do. They tell you what a high income skill is. So what you actually have to put on the table, so forth. So At the end of the 15-day challenge, you actually can go and actually apply to become an affiliate if that's what you want to do, become an affiliate and promote their products. So, and of course, like I said, they're going to teach you, and as they teach you, you also earn. So I know a lot of people that's actually finished the 15-day challenge. They jumped into it, they built their website, their funnel, and they've already been making money in the back end. So, and they're not just promoting, they're not just trying to teach you how to promote Legendary Marketer. They're going to show you how to promote anything that you want. So they're going to give you the option. All right, you want to go organic or free traffic, or do you want to go and start doing paid ads? All right, and they're going to show you both ways, what the pros and cons are, which is cool. So up here on the top, so this is a different product that they have that I was actually kind of explaining. So they have like a marketers club. They're going to give you insights. They're going to give you what the scoop is, what the new trend is. Traffic University, how to get traffic, affiliate marketing ebook. So they have an ebook for like $2 that you can actually buy and read, which is actually pretty good. So the 15-second free leads right here. So this is actually pretty cool. I think it's only for like $1. But right here, they talk about the TikTok. So right now, the TikTok and Instagram Reels are really big. So you have 15 seconds. You have to grab their attention within the first 3 seconds in order for them to continue to watch your video and like it and continue to follow you. So if you want leads, obviously we all need leads. We all need traffic to go to whatever we're promoting, what we're selling, and so forth. They're going to teach you right here. So it's pretty cool. I personally invested in the business blueprint. But I don't regret it. I actually learned a lot from that, and I wouldn't be where I'm at right now if it wasn't for this. So they pretty much help you along your whole stages, your steps, coaching, consulting. They have it all here. So my affiliates, my affiliate programs, all my stuff, my stats, and then here you have your advisor right on the top of the screen here. So whenever you need him, you can go and chat with him, set up a meeting with him, and he'll go and help you out as best as you can. So kind of wanted to show you what the backside was, what this is. This is not just an affiliate program. This is a marketing program. So if you have to market, this is not just for internet or online. If you have a brick and mortar restaurant on the corner of 6th Street, you actually have the knowledge, or they'll give you the tools on how to promote your business to get people to go into your business. You'll be able to target people on Facebook that's in your area, so they can go and so forth. It's actually really cool. So just kind of wanted to go over what this consists of, the backside, to give you a little bit more clarity and kind of understand what it is. It's only $7 to join, but believe me, from those $7 you're going to gain a whole lot of confidence, and it's going to open up your mind. So I do have a link I'll leave on the bottom here, so you could actually go and check it out. So if you got any more questions, anything, whatever, write in the comments. I'll post it, and hope this actually helped you guys out. So till then, we'll see you on the next one.